My name's Tim Fitzgerald. I work for Balfour Beatty Construction as a superintendent. I've been working on the independent tower for the last 2.5 years now as a structural QC manager and MEP QC manager once the structure was completed, and now as a superintendent pushing for final inspections and tests to get the building certified. Multivista has been an ally in the job, taking photos of stuff that is covered up in the future that is a quality control item. So we use them for structural reinforcement, in-wall MEP, in-wall insulation, above ceiling MEP, and waterproofing, exterior waterproofing, which all things have been covered up and are quality control items. Multivista is a really good company to use in regards to as a down payment to keep as a good quality control measure up front instead of paying thousands of dollars up the back trying to research and cut open walls. The amount of times that I haven't had to cut a hole in the wall, look inside to see what's there, just because I've been able to pull up my phone right there and then and flick through a couple of photos and see what's inside is in the hundreds, which obviously saves thousands and thousands of dollars. So I couldn't recommend them more.